Namaskar, I'm Samarkaran and I'm from class 5th. So, today we're going to talk about this awesome masterpiece as you can see here. So far, the trip is very educative and I learned how to reduce, reuse and recycle to preserve the environment for the future generations. So as you can see over here, this amazing masterpiece is made only out of crafts and metal. I know you can't believe this, but this is literally made out of crafts and metal.
So what is the best innovation that you have seen in this park?
The best innovation is surely for this because this is so incredible. How they have used cars that are not in use, have been abandoned, brought them to here and made such a big masterpiece. Like this dinosaur is not made of anything except for garbage that people throw instead of polluting them.
So do you think so, Summer, that such parks like Waste to Wonder Park or any of these parks can actually contribute to environmental awareness?
Yes, absolutely. As these waste that are being built over here are actually waste from people's garbage cans that people burn instead of burning them to produce pollution. It's better to make these masterpieces. Thank you.
Okay, Summer. Thank you.